and welcome to KCT. I am the one and only Witch Properstar, and today we are going to talk about this mechanism. This is a letter smart screen. It has 4 columns and each of them contains the whole English alphabet. You can create 4-letter words or random letter sequences. In the beginning we have an output and I can take off the magnet. On the other relay we don't have an output, so the bulb is turned off. You can connect on the outputs magnets, lights, relays or anything else you would like. Let's say we are playing a casino mystery inspired room and we have found a clue that we are searching for a pile of cards. A pile of cards is also called deck of cards. So we put here the word deck. You can change the output states via program. If you don't know how to do it, check out my software video where I cover everything about it. You can modify all the sounds in the SD card, but you can't change the small beeps of the screen. Lastly, you can reset the sequence as many times as you wish, making your prop fully reusable. If you don't know how to do it, check out my hardware video where I cover everything about the controllers. And if you have any further questions, don't hesitate to contact us here. You can find on our site custom builds, automations, mechanisms and equipment for your escape room or place your custom order. We have our base in Greece, but we ship worldwide. Thank you so much for watching, subscribe for more demonstration and tutorial videos and I'll see you next time.